Hey, hi friends. Today, right now, we are in Cambridge, and it's early in the morning. I feel it's around 9:30 a.m. So as you can see, this is the rainy weather, and we came across the Cambridge village to have some fresh vegetables. So right now, I came in one of the farmland. Let me take you in. So as you can see, this is the fresh vegetables which are growing right now here, and there are many kind of different vegetables. We have cabbage, we have also different varieties of cabbage here, and as you can see, it's different. Pumpkins are also there, and different kind of flowers are also there. So right now, uh, there's the fresh vegetable which we can get it from here. So I'll also just introduce with me one of the beautiful person with me here. Hi.
Hi, I'm Andy.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
So I came here in Cambridge, and I find it very exciting, to kind of get vegetables. So how long you have been kind of here?
This is the fifth year now. We started
Okay.
off with a little section across here, and we've just expanded and expanded, and
Okay.
yeah, it gets busier and busier and better every year,
Okay.
and we grow different things. More
Uh-huh.
variety every year.
Okay. Okay. So is it open all the days or some specific timing you have?
Selling days are Friday and Saturday,
Okay.
but Julie does vegetable boxes during the week, so you can phone up or text a message and say you want a vegetable box, and she'll deliver a vegetable box locally in the Walk Beach Ely area.
Okay.
So yeah, no, it's very good. It's took off really well.
Okay, okay. So I mean, in this kind of rainy weather, also the shop is open and we are able to buy it.
Yeah,
So I mean, does it depend any time on the weather also, weather condition also, or
I mean, we irrigate during the year if it's really hot.
hmm,
Um, obviously got water. I mean, Julie, she spends 6 days a week down here from planting, weeding, and then picking, and then it starts all over again.
uh,
So yeah, no, it's a
uh,
full on busy. And she's a part time January, February,
okay,
where she sort of has a rest and a break. But
okay,
then you're planning for that year.
okay,
So come March, it should be all clear,
uh-huh.
and then she'll be planting back in again.
Okay, okay. Can you tell us some bit about what all the vegetables you grow here? Just some 5 6 items.
Um, we from the standard cabbage we go broccolis, purple sprouting broccoli.
Uh-huh.
We then go for the cauliflowers. You get a yellow one, a white one, and a purple one. We do.
Okay.
You have your kales, which are over there, your green and purple kale.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Um, we've got sprouts over there, which
Okay.
they're virtually ready now, but people always say they taste better after the first frost
Okay.
when you've had a frost on them.
Okay.
Cabbages, we've probably got 4 or 5 different varieties of cabbages.
Okay.
We have leeks, we've got a couple of different types of leeks.
Uh-huh.
Courgettes, which are virtually finished,
Mhm.
and narrows.
Mhm.
We have runner beans over there, which are coming to the end now.
Mhm.
Spring onions, lettuces, beetroot,
Mhm.
spinach,
Mhm.
onions, red onions.
Nice to, nice to. There are too many
There's
items
yeah,
here.
there is there
So,
a big
so,
variety we do.
so any specific month, in which you try to grow these vegetation
We
or
we start planting probably April time.
okay.
Um, the new stuff. I mean, we just put some new stuff in across here now. The small ones,
Uh-huh.
just a few we had what we've grown in the polytunnel.
Okay.
But they'll come for next year. These
Uh-huh.
little ones in the back here, there's only 20 or 30 of them.
Okay.
But these are ready all to be pulled out.
I think there is some kind of sheet here, which is on the soil, right? So, is it a different way of growing the vegetables, or it's the
This helps
okay,
weed.
okay,
It stops the weed coming through.
okay,
Growing
uh-huh.
similar to like here,
Okay,
the
okay,
weed just because the ground is so good,
okay.
everything will grow. Weed, plant, everything. So we
Mm.
put this in
Mm-hmm.
to try and help with the weed,
Okay.
which it does. It's a lot better.
Nice, nice,
A lot less work as well.
nice, nice. Great to
Um,
know.
I mean, this stuff here is a fleece, which we started this year.
Okay.
So it protects from the birds,
Uh-huh.
because the birds will come down and peck, and also the insects and everything else.
Okay.
And also it's a thermal.
Okay.
So April time when it's still a bit cold, it's covered.
Uh-huh.
You get a bit of sun, it keeps the warmth in, it helps them grow quicker.
Okay.
So I mean,
So you use any kind of fertilizer or any kind of paste?
we
or-
use a fertiliser in the soil, but
Okay.
spray wise, we try not to. I mean, if it got infested, we'd have to put something on it.
Yeah.
But I think over the 5 years, we probably just 1 year we used 2 years ago where it got a lot of butterfly caterpillar.
Mhm.
But when you get a cabbage, it's got a little hole in it, but because it had a caterpillar on it, we haven't sprayed it. You're not going to be where supermarkets they dip them, spray them to just preserve it. But this is totally fresh.
Nice.
You
Nice.
can come down here and we'll pick it, and you can go home. And you can have it on your plate within an hour.
Yeah, sure. I like it very much, and I like. Thank you very much for
No,
the conversation
okay.
we had. I
Yeah.
got to know very much things about the Cambridge and the vegetations, how it's growing in here.
And
So
you're
thank
al-
you.
You're
Thank
always
you.
welcome back.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.